Hello children, hope you all are good. In our previous video, we discussed a method to find the square root of any number, that is prime factorization method. Here I come here with another method to find the square root of any number. That method is division method. So in this video I am going to explain the step to find a square root of a number by division method. So I am going to explain this step by the help of one example. Suppose I am taking a very simple number 529. We want to find the square root of this number. So first we are going to put the number like this, 529. Okay, now we are going to put bar over every pair of digit that start from the ones place. Okay, we are going to put bar over every pair of digit. Okay, on pair of digit that going to be start from ones place. So here ones place is 1. We are going to put bar over these two number. Then we have only one number, so we are going to put bar on this. Okay, we have to remember that we are going to put bar over to one pair of the number, means on two number at each time, and that bar must be going to start from the ones place. Ones place say we are going to put bar. Now we are going to solve first the bar number under the bar from the extreme left place. Okay, from the left side we are going to solve the number. So first we are going to solve this bar, that is 5. So here we are going to take a number, largest number whose square must be less than 5 or equal to 5. So obviously there is no number whose square is equal to 5 because 5 is not a perfect square. So of course we have to take a number, largest number whose square must be less than 5. So what can be number? If we take 3 square is what? 9. 9 is not less than 5, so we cannot take 3. Let's check with 2. 2 square is 4. 4 is less than 5, so we can take here 2. So we take here 2. Also we write 2 here. So 2 2s is what? It is 4. So now we are going to subtract it. Let's subtract. 5 minus 4 is what? 1. And we are going to put down this number under the next bar. Okay, we are going to put whole number which is under the next bar, not the one number, only 2, not the only one number. We are going to this to one pair of the number. Okay, so we are going to put down this, that is 29. And what we have to do here we have 2. We are going to write double of that number. Okay, double of the number we take at the first step. So double of 2 means we are going to write 2 plus 2 is 4, means double of 2 means we are going to add the number with the number itself. Okay, now we have 4. Now again we want to take a number here. We are going to take a number here, so that if we multiply this whole number with that number, we get equal to 129 or less than 129. So what is the method? We can check one by one. First we take 1, then we take 2, then we take 3, then we take 4, like this. Okay, suppose I am taking 1. So let's check with 1. So if we take 1, so I am going to multiply this 41 with 1. So it is equal to 41. 41 is very much less than this. Okay, so of course we are going to check the next number. So let's check the number. Suppose we take 2. So let's check with 2. If we take here 2, then 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Now again 84 is very much less than 129. So let's check another number. Suppose I am taking another number like 3. Okay, if we take here 3, so we are going to multiply this 43 with 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So what we get? the number exactly equal to 129. So we can take 3. So this is the method to check which number we going to take. We have to check one by one, okay, or we can guess sometime. We going to discuss that with more example, okay. So what numbers we should take here? It is 3. So we going to take here 3. So if we take here 3, so I am going to write 3 also here. Now if we multiply 43 with 3, what we get? It is 129. Let's subtract it. It is what? It is 0, or we can put like this. So finally we get the remainder as 0. So what is the solution for this? Square root of 529 is what? It is 23. Clear? So this is the step for to solve the to find the square root of any number by division method. What is the step? In first step we going to put bar over each pair of number that should be start from the ones place. Ones digit से we going to start that putting the bar, ठीक है, on every pair only, ठीक है, not a single number. At last, at the end of place we can put a single bar also, okay. After that we going to solve the first leftmost bar, okay, and then we take a number here whose square, largest number whose square must be less than 5 or equal to 5. So that we take here 2 2s are 4, so I take here 4. After that we subtract it. 5 minus 4 is 1, and after that we going to put down the number under the next bar, okay. Here the next bar is 29, so we going to put down this 29 here. Again we have to take a number here, so that if we multiply this whole number with that number, we get number equal to 129. For this we check one by one. First I put 1 and we check this, that not satisfied, then we take 2, then again I check with the 2, it not equal to 129, then after that I check with 3, so finally we get 129 and remainder becomes 0. So our solution is in what? It is 23. I am going to explain the same method with another example. Suppose I am taking another number. Suppose I am taking 1029 and I want to find the square root of this number by division method. So what we go, it's not 1029 is not a perfect square. I am taking number 1024, okay. I want to use division method only. So what we going to do? We going to do same method. First we going to write the number like this. It is 1024. Now what is the next step? We going to put bar over each pair of digit that start from the ones place, okay. Now here the ones place is 4, so we going to put bar over one pair, means 4 and 2. Then next pair is what? 0 and 1, okay. Here is 2 pair of numbers. Now we going to solve the number at the left bar, number under the bar, that is at the extreme left place. So here we have 10. So we have to take a number whose square must be less than 10. So what will be the number? It is 3 square is what? It is 3 square is 9. It is less than 10. If we take 4 square is equal to 16. 16 is greater than 10. So we cannot take 4. So what number we going to take here? It is 3. If we take 3 here, then we have to write 3 also here. Now 3 3s are 9. So here we take 9. 10 minus 9 is what? Remainder is 1. Now next step, what we going to do? We going to put down this number under the next bar. Here the next bar is 24. So we going to put down this two number 24. And what going to do here? Here we going to double this number. Okay, double of 3 is what? Means 3 plus 3. It is 6. Double of 3 is 6. We going to write here. Now again we have to take a number here after number here, so that if we multiply that number with the whole this number, so it become equal to 124. There are two ways. We are going to check one by one. Suppose I take 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 like this, or we can do a simple thing. Suppose I am taking 1, then 1. We are going to multiply with 1, then 1 1 ja and 1 6 ja 6. It is 61. It is very much less than 124. Let's check with the 2. Suppose I am taking 2 here. So 2 2 ja 4 and 2 6 ja 12. It is equal to 124. So we can take what number? We can take 2. So here I am going to take 2, so that we are going to write here 2 also. Now if we multiply 62 with the 2, what we get? We get 124. Let's subtract it. After subtracting it, we get the remainder as 0. So our answer will be 32. So square root of 1024 is equal to what? It is 32. Okay, clear? Now we are going to solve another question by the help of another number which is in the form of decimal. Okay, suppose I am going to solve the same question, okay, but that question in the form of decimal. Suppose I have a number like 10.24. I have a number 10.24. Okay, so the whole method is same, only difference to make bar on over the number. How to put bar over the number? Here in decimal numbers we have two part. One is integral part and other is decimal part. Here before decimal are the integral part, like 10 is an integral part, and after the decimal it is 2 and 4 is what? Decimal part. So we going to do the pairing from the before integral part by the same way. We are going to put bar over each pair of number, that is start from the ones place. Here the ones place is what? It is 0. So we are going to put bar over this. So here we can put bar like this. Okay. After that we are going to start putting bar over the number that is come after the decimal number, that is decimal part. So we are going to put bar from here only, from left to right. Okay. Here the bar is going to be moving like left to right. So we can put bar over this. After that all this rest method is same. First we are going to solve this bar number, that is 10, that is present at the leftmost position. So we are going to take a number whose square is less than 10. So what we can take? Of course we can take 3. So 3 3 are 9. Let's subtract it. 10 minus 9 is 1. What we here we write? We are going to double the number. Double of 3 is what? 6. Now we have a decimal, so we are going to take the decimal at the place of this. Okay, we are going to take this decimal at the this. After that we are going to put down this next bar. Okay, next bar is 24, so we are going to put down this 24. Now again I am going to check with the number, so that which number we can take here. So after that multiplying we get 124. So that we already done. If we take 2, so if we multiply with 2, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 6 ja 12. So we can take here what? 2. So let's take here 2. So also we have to take 2 here. So what we get here? It is 124. So remainder will be what? It is 0. So our answer is 3.2. Okay, so this is the method to solve, to find the square root of any number by division method. Okay, so that's all for today. And next video I come with some another topic. So that's all for today. Thank you.